Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well and ready to dive into an important topic today. I'm here to talk about something we all experience from time to time: fights with our partners. These moments can be really tough and emotionally draining. Let's be real, arguments happen, but how we repair after a blow-up can make all the difference. It's not just about saying sorry, it's about truly mending the emotional rift. Today I'm sharing 3 powerful phrases to help fix your relationship after a heated argument. These phrases are designed to foster understanding and empathy. First up, try saying, "Can we slow this down? I care more about us than being right." This phrase can be a game changer in the heat of the moment. This phrase is like a magic wand. It immediately shifts the focus from the argument to the relationship itself. It shows your partner that you prioritize the relationship over winning the argument. This can help de-escalate the situation and bring you both back to a place of love and understanding. It turns the focus from attacking each other to understanding each other. This is crucial for building a stronger, more resilient relationship. Next, use the phrase, "That didn't come out the way I meant it." This is a powerful way to acknowledge that sometimes our words don't match our intentions. We've all been there. Words fly out in the heat of the moment that we didn't intend to be so hurtful. It's a common human experience, and acknowledging it can be very healing. By saying this, you're taking ownership of those words without drowning in guilt or shame. It's about being accountable while also being kind to yourself. It's a way to acknowledge the impact while opening the door to clearer communication. This can pave the way for a more honest and open dialogue. Finally, say, "I see now how that hurt you. That wasn't my goal." This phrase is incredibly validating for your partner. This one is a game changer. It shows that you are not only listening, but also understanding the emotional impact of your actions. It validates your partner's feelings and shows empathy. This is essential for emotional healing and rebuilding trust. This is crucial because most fights boil down to one core question: do you still care about me? Addressing this can help mend the emotional wounds. By recognizing their pain, you're saying, yes, you do care. This can be incredibly reassuring and help to rebuild the emotional connection. Remember, the disconnection after a fight can be more damaging than the fight itself. It's the lingering feelings of hurt and misunderstanding that can cause long-term issues. What's left unsaid can fester and lead to bigger relationship problems down the road. It's important to address these issues head-on. That's why emotional repair is so important. It's not just about resolving the argument, but also about healing the emotional wounds. So, next time you find yourself in a heated argument, take a deep breath and try these phrases. They can help you navigate the stormy waters of conflict. "Can we slow this down? I care more about us than being right." This phrase can help you both take a step back and focus on what really matters. "That didn't come out the way I meant it." This can help clear up misunderstandings and show that your intentions were not to hurt. "I see now how that hurt you. That wasn't my goal." This phrase can help heal emotional wounds and show that you truly care. These simple yet powerful words can help bridge the gap and bring you closer together. They can transform a moment of conflict into an opportunity for deeper connection. All right, that's it for today. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they bring more peace and understanding into your relationships. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship tips. Your support means a lot to us. Until next time, take care and remember, a little bit of empathy goes a long way. See you soon.